This unique and innovative gate is very effective in keeping river weirs and small dams relatively free of sediment. The gate opens when a flood is running to transport sediment which is mobile, either in suspension or rolling on the riverbed, out of the dam through the scour tunnel before it settles and consolidates. The scour gate is closed and retains the fully supply water level in the weir. Placed at the bottom of a river structure or dam, the scour gate closes off a scour tunnel under the weir or dam. As the water level rises in the dam or weir due to a flood inflow, water is decanted over an inlet weir to start filling the chamber housing the fixed buoyancy scour gate. The gate chamber has outlet pipes with a lesser discharge capacity than the inlet, and hence the water level rises in the gate chamber. As the water level in the gate chamber rises, the scour gate tank becomes buoyant and rises slowly, thereby raising the closure plate to the scour tunnel. Water from the weir starts to discharge at high velocities through the scour tunnel, taking with it large volumes of sediment and gravel. As the scour gate rises further, the scour tunnel opens fully. The high discharge velocity through the scour tunnel transports sediment and gravel through the river structure, as well as scouring out sediment that may have settled in the river basin in the vicinity of the structure. The scour gate remains fully open whilst the flood waters are running. As the flood abates and the water level recedes, the inflow into the scour gate chamber stops flowing. The outlet pipe discharge from the chamber then empties the chamber and the water level in the chamber recedes. The scour gate then slowly closes down. The gate will close completely to retain the full supply level in the dam or weir. This innovative scour gate therefore opens automatically to pass sediment-laden water through the river structure and closes automatically to retain the full supply level in the dam. The scour gate is very effective in maintaining offtake structures for pumps, canals and penstocks free of sediment. Larger or more scour gates can keep river weirs or dams of not more than 15 meters high essentially free of sediment buildup. The scour gate can also be fitted retrospectively into existing river structures to flush out sediment over a series of flushes and then will maintain the weir relatively sediment-free. This unique and automatic scour gate is also extremely important in order to maintain the sediment transport balance in the river for ecological and environmental benefits. A number of these innovative scour gates have been installed in southern Africa and have maintained the river weirs essentially free of sediment.